Brad Hall here, and today I've got a really interesting show for you. I've got two shoes with me, the Michael Air Jordan 1 Chicago colorway, and a custom take on that shoe. I'm gonna take a deep dive into the world of custom ones, and then I'm gonna share a concept I put together for my own custom one, so stay tuned. I've noticed a lot of custom ones popping up lately. There's that Western themed one in the chamber pair. One has a skull and crossbones on it. And then you've got this pair. This is Revived Senses pair. It is called the Empty World ones. And I've got this one with me today because they were nice enough to send it to me. I'm very excited to have it. This is just an interesting genre of shoe, the custom one. It almost looks like a fake, but it's not a fake. It's its own thing. They've swapped out key design elements to kind of create their own take on an iconic shoe. I'm gonna take you through these differences between this pair and this pair, the custom pair. So the first thing you'll probably notice, the swoosh is replaced by this kind of anarchy symbol. This is a hallmark move of all of these custom ones. They swap out that swoosh and replace it with something that fits the theme of their custom. The Wings logo, that is gone. On this Revived Sense pair, it says New World Disorder. And then one more logo swap on the tongue. Nike Air is gone. In its place, that empty logo. Swapping out the logos, that is a big part of all of these custom ones. Outside of that, it seems like a bunch of them keep true to the shoe, or at least as close to true as possible. This pair, it's slightly different cut-wise, and this one actually has full grain leather, which feels pretty good, and it smells really nice. So those are just some small changes, but overall, they're pretty close to each other, other than those logos. Show me that leather. Show me that leather. Show me that leather. This custom one trend has definitely got my mind working. I've been envisioning my own custom one, and I've had so many ideas already. I've whittled them down to pretty much the best version of what's in my head right now. First up, you've got that Wings logo. I just made some subtle tweaks to it. Fortunately, my head, it was pretty much the perfect shape of a basketball, so it just fit really well right there. In terms of materials and color, most of these did stay true to that Chicago one, but that one in the chamber pair, that mixed it up a little bit. I'm thinking some shirt print on this shoe, and then around that ankle area, I'm gonna swap out the leather with denim that comes from this pair of pants that I'm wearing. So if this does make it into production, it is gonna have to be really limited. Now the swoosh, this was easily the hardest decision. This is really the defining design moment. I think I came up with something that it feels like me. So that is my concept for my own custom one. I'll make sure to keep you updated on that shoe. And I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of custom ones. Thanks for watching.